Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find or access lost apps in Samsung A17. If you're using A17 and you have lost any apps you have installed but you cannot find that, so let's see how can you find that apps. You must have to open your settings and here just scroll down and look for apps, and here you'll get all the installed apps on your device. You can easily access that app from here. Let's say I have lost my messenger app, so how can I find it? You just have to look for messenger app here, and you can see his messenger app. Just tap on it and here you will get the open option. Just tap on this option and the app will be opened. If you can't find it here, you have the second option. You just have to open your Play Store app and here go for search, and you have to search for with the app name his messenger. Just tap on it and here you'll get the open option. Just tap on it and from here you can easily open your lost apps in your Samsung A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.